Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's busy book is for my 6-year-old and these are the concepts which we're going to cover in this one. Let's start with the first question here. Some boys are in the line. Tom is 4th in line and Sam is 8th in line. How many boys are between Sam and Tom? She knows ordinal numbers, but she has never done drawing like this and then counting one by one. So this is going to be hard for her when I'll tell her to draw some boys in the line, make a position who is in 4th, write Sam here and which is 8th, Tom here and Sam here, then find. So that's I left the space. I don't think she'll be able to do it herself. So I'll teach her ordinal numbers. She has read ordinal numbers. She knows like this first, second, third position. But from the statement question, first she has to read it, then draw a line and think like what do you mean by visually first, 4th and 8th, and see what is between. So yeah, that is what is a concept of drawing the ordinal numbers herself rather than just reading about them or reading the positions. That is what we're going to do here. Okay, Pat lost 3 balloons to the wind. She had 6 balloons left. How many balloons did she have at first? Simple subtraction, but again I have kept it very easy for her to read. So yeah, some part of reading along with the math problems. Mary has 7 stickers. Pam has 8 more stickers than Mary. How many stickers does Pam have? So I have seen when we are doing 8 more, 8 less, she still gets confused about fewer, more, lesser than that. So that's why I'm trying to work on these kind of questions like 8 more, 8 less than her, 8 fewer than her. Those kind of questions because addition subtraction is easy if I just write a number. But when I'm putting addition subtraction in form of 8 more, 4 fewer kind of language in the question, she gets very confused that mama, do I have to add or subtract? So yes, that is what we are going to practice in these kind of questions so she can get understanding, inference understanding. Sam needs 15 balloons for a party. She has 11 balloons now. How many more balloons does she need? This would be easy. Again, maybe after a hard one, give a easy one. Again, these questions are also building confidence in reading because she's very new to reading and maths with reading is not a very comfortable thing for her. Okay, corners, a thing here we are doing all 2D shapes, nothing major. How many shapes have 4 corners? So these two have 4 corners. Which 2 shapes can make a square together? So again the basic concept that you bring 2 triangles together and that will make a square. We have done in Montessori, but does she remember it? Can she do it here? We will see about it. So 2 triangles being together make square. How will they make it? That she has to figure out and let me know. So that is what we are going to try here. Draw again 3-dimensional shapes. She doesn't know. She has never drawn these kind of things. But I was just asking, can you see what is a cube? We have a Montessori wooden shapes, 3D shapes already. So I will teach her here how you draw like this two and like this is cylinder. This is how you draw a cone. You draw a oval at base and like this. So I'll show her the real ones and show her that this is how pictorially you represent a cuboid or a cube or a cone or cylinder and using 3D shapes. So drawing is also a skill, these shapes, because I don't think she knows how to do it. Again, because I have taught her the shapes at the back, now I'm going to use again those shapes and what all can you stack. So basically this can be stacked, this can be stacked, this can be stacked. What all can you roll? So these 2, 3 can be rolled. I think this also can be rolled. Which has only 2 circles? So only these, these 2 have only 2 circles. Cone has only 1 circle. Now this is, so basically introducing 3D shapes to her, different concept of 3D shapes to her. Again, I was telling you, she's getting confused about fewer, most, more concept. So yeah, I just drawn a graph myself and just trying to interpret a graph because graphing doesn't need counting but comparison. So but here my intention is these terms, right? D has dash fewer stars than B, and she's like, what do you mean by the statement? What I have to do here? So I want her to read the sentence herself, process it, try to understand with what the graph, what I'm trying to say, and do it. So we need lot of practice in these word kind of questions. So you will see more questions like this until she really gets the concept. Again, introducing the division concept because she knows like dividing by fingers, like 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2, but now we are going to more than 10 number which cannot be done by fingers. So I'm trying to explain that, if you have to divide more than 10, how you do it. You draw it and then you divide by grouping. So if I have 15 cupcakes and you have 3 plates, how many cupcakes in one plate? So can you make a group of 3? So she'll make a group of 3 and figure out, oh, you have 5 groups. If you have 3 cupcakes, how many plates, if you have 3 cupcakes in one plate, how many plates? So then I'll ask her that, make a group of 3, it means 5. So it means 3 into 5 is equal to 5 into 3. So I'm just introducing the concept of division using grouping, and she's still early for it, but I think concept she can get, that what is grouping, and I'm like simple division, simple multiplication of skip counting she knows. So that is what is the intention. So hope you enjoyed this busy book. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.